makeup yote nimeweka.
Nasikia kuna makapo wamekasirikiana, walipatana time ya COVID, wanaonana tu macho. Oh my god.
Your eyes are so beautiful.
Alitoa mask, mtu akashikwa na butwa ubambaruzi.
Babe.
Yes.
Unajua leo nilifanya shopping kwa Jumia na pesa yako. Nataka kuona cha nilibai. Unafikiria nilibai?
I want to see kama ulibai vitu nini, tunapigia Jumia wakuje wachukue vitu zao.
Unaona nilibai nini?
Vitu za maana.
Eh, unani trust?
Hivyo.
Unani trust hivyo?
Najiambia hivyo.
Ayafunga macho. Open.
Wa. Ulibai mafuta. Unajua mafuta ni expensive.
And I have more goodies. Are you ready?
See you too.
Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Sawa.
Hey.
What's this?
Hizi zote. Ooh. This one I know is yours. You really wanted.
Yeah. Guess how much it was?
1,000 something.
No. 800.
800? Wow, that's a steal. Wow.
No.
Sasa utakula keki mpaka.
Sasa ona aka kitu vile nikapoa. This thing. Baba does not want us to open.
No.
Okay, sawa.
Ama yeye anataka open, mweke pale.
Nataka hata tufungue.
Utaki tufungue? Anataka yeye mwenyewe kufungua. Wewe unacheza na mat. Sikia ameanza kusema wow. Haya, open. Okay, this is the final one. This one I'll give it to you. This is your gift.
Wow.
And the bag. Ish. Okay.
How much do you think that was?
3,000.
Why do you assume everything is that expensive?
This is Kenya.
Kila
It's
kitu
expensive. Utasikia wamekuzia how much?
Yeah.
It was 3 in 1.
It was 700.
700? Aki watakujia pesa ingine.
How is it? I like the color. Iko hadi na kakad. Kakitu kakad, kakweka cards.
God damn. Nice.
Color kwanza.
The color is nice. Ankara. Ama inaitangwa aje?
Sasa I'm wondering, you know, I was buying this thing for someone else, but it may end up not going anywhere.
No, kimrusha. Kimbumrush.
Aki naona ni kimrusha. I'm swear.
It's so simple.
It's nice. Alafu unajua.
Si uko na nguo ina match?
Nionyeshe details. Na tuko na wedding by the way in a few weeks.
Wedding ya nani?
Mtoto wa kazi wa nani? Wakuzo wetu. Tuna kapoa.
Sawa.
Haya. Sasa. I love that. Then the final thing, what do you think this is? Because it's quite small.
It's small and portable.
Wait. Hapo ona vile imeandikwa?
Gifts.
No, Daddy, this is not yours. This is Daddy's.
This is a gift.
Shika.
Just for you.
What do you think it is? What do you think it is? CBA. Just think.
They've written in Greek or something.
Inaka nini like ukiangalia tu. Chain. Okay. Go ahead.
So let me happen.
Ma bling bling.
Bling bling.
Bling
Bling bling bling bling bling bling bling.
There's birthday yako ilikuwa.
Yes.
And I never got to give you anything. So.
Ooh la la. Oh! I really wanted earphones. Yeah. Hapo sawa. Oh my. Wow.
Whoa.
Actually, ulisikia vile nilikuwa na complain.
Juu ya meetings zako asubuhi.
Oh, this is so awesome.
You can just open before you are a box. Alafu ile ingine uligongwa.
Ile iligongwa by the way.
I had to think about you.
Oh.
Naona wanakusikiza.
Wow.
Oh.
This is just so awesome.
Unajua siku kwa nimeifungua.
Yeah.
This is so cute. Kai baba usiharibu hii mtu inafaa kuchajiwa hapo hizo nini.
God damn. Earbuds.
Hebu try. Huyo asiharibu hii inafaa ichajiwe kiwa hapa ndani baby. Kuja chukua hii.
It's so awesome. I really wanted. I was planning to, but you.
Hata ushaeka.
No.
Aya, ngoja mat. No, na no zako hapo. Oh, inakuja hadi na nini za ku replace. Don't stop.
Huyu usimpe huyu.
Oh, this is so awesome. Thank you. Mwah. This is just so awesome. This is just
Ulijua by the way because this one was very like it's a surprise.
I am surprised.
Sikuwa nimekumentionia.
Siko nafikiria utafikiria.
Nikadi na kachaja.
So I hope azitanifanyia kama zile zingine.
Si ndio nakwambia zile zingine. So you know me before I buy what I do. Lazima nifanye ma review check kaa zote. Let's just hope it works.
Yeah.
It's a Bluetooth whatever.
Earbuds.
And they're easy Saju, it's your gift. Sitashinda nikiwaambia how much I bought, but they were not that expensive. They were affordable.
You bought everything on Jumia?
Yeah.
Hey, Jumia, plug now. Plug. You see what I did there? Plug.
So hizi ndio zinakaa hizo. Hebu ukienda utafute utajua utaona ilikuwa how much.
Sasa shida ni hiyo anaweza meza. Usimeze hizi za masikio.
Sawa.
Wow, this is ina charge.
So sasa una charge. So this
hii ndio inafaa kuna charge.
Oi. But inasema 0. So naweka hivyo. Are you happy?
Yeah, very excited.
Lakini mat inaonekana ningebaia mat pia because mtakuwa mnafaitia boys and easy zaitango toys sama ni nini. Hiyo ni ya kuchange.
Ametoa raba. Yeah.
Okay. This is so fascinating. Hello. Say hello. Okay. Uliona Mata akisoma nini? Solar system.
It was so impressive.
Inatoshea masikio ama ni kubwa?
Inatoshea.
Nilikuwa naona mtu mwingine kwa review amesema ati it's too big. Iko perfect. Wow. So I wanna try this package from Jumia. I wanna try it out. So it's the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day and Night Cream. So it was on offer and I've seen good reviews about it from Wanjiru and other like influencers, and I really wanted to try it. So yeah, let's see how it looks inside. Okay, the size is kidogo. Sindio? It's quite kidogo. Nama? I thought it's like, if you compare the box with the content inside. But anyway, I thought to try to on. It is not focusing. There we go. Show them. So these are the two products I've got. Jumia.
Dad.
Dad. Cheers. Ta. Cheers. Ta. Cheers. Ta. Cute. It's actually sealed, you guys. Open this one. Ring. Open this one. There we go. So it's actually sealed. I love this. We've exchanged the containers. What's up, beautiful people? How you doing? I hope you're doing well. We are about to head out. Sijui kwa nini every time tukitoka nasikianga kuvlog. Je, I don't know why I always feel the need to vlog every time we are leaving the house, like together. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. As we are about to head out. Nimeambiwa nakaa poa na hizo glasses. Sikai Madam Secretary? Je? Sinakaa Madam Secretary? Ooh. Anyway, and I should actually go and get zinaitangwa zile specs za zenye mtu ameshaambiwa avae. Zinaitwa aje? Prescription glasses. I feel like I should really I feel like I should get them because I've been struggling with my eyes. Anyway, so Matt, say hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Tea.
Are you fine? Outfit. You want to show people? Let me show you guys what Matt is wearing, because clearly Matt is a fashionista of this house. And also Dada is looking fresh. Nakafiti.
Yes, I.
What was that? So watu siku hizi by the way tunavaa mask. We are back to
we are modeling with our eyes only.
So hata hii makeup yote nimeweka.
Nasikia kuna makapo wamekasirikiana, walipatana time ya COVID, wanaonana tu macho. Oh my god.
Your eyes are so beautiful.
Alitoa mask, mtu akashikwa na butwa ubambaruzi.
Oh my god. Je, do you come up with these things, or unakuanga unazo kwa kichwa umerehearse, unangojea appropriate time?
You rehearse. Hard work pays.
Una practice your joke. Ni kurehearse joke. Matt, looking sharp. Ebu tuone outfit. The shoes, from the shoes to the coat.
Twende. Let's go.
Hello. Is it a baby?
Big.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, he short. This one. Nyam nyam. Hi baby. Economy ya Kenya inakupeleka aje?
Mbaya sana.
Unakunywa Fanta juu unahitaji energy.
Hii ni mtoto. Mimi zile ya body yangu. Ukinunua Fanta mingi, ukinunua soda ya kila mtu atafikiria umekuwa songo.
Hakuna haja.
Sasa chini.
Matt? Hello. Hello. So we should Madam Serious Secretary. Alafu, fun fact. Ukiniangalia, what do you see different?
Skin.
Skin. Or skin in flawless. Okay. Nitaambia Majestic family the secret. But anyway, everyone
earrings.
Never different earrings.
Hiyo ni swag na nusu.
But unajua ni vile Matt anashinanga. Okay, sitaki kuelekea Matt. Huwa na misplace nini earrings zangu. I should do better. Natafuta raki ya kuweka hizo earrings. But mtu hawezi notice.
Usijali, Wajakoya akiwa president. Tutaanza kuweka nyoka. Susikie kwanza, relax. Alafu tukiuza atakubaya earrings mingi, hata ukipoteza ina shida.
Nyoka.
Si alisema tutaanza kuweka nyoka.
That anakuanga na story more.
Wewe unazumbua mtu unajidunga mazi. Kunywa kabla wapandishe bei.
Bebe. Mata anaogopa hosi
sana.
Amekuhangaisha.
Amenihangaisha.
Mat. Aki unajua kuna video tulifanya like a year ago tukiwa Pizza Inn. Huyu alikuwa like so tiny. I think tutaweka ka snippet hapo ama muende muwatch hiyo video.
Endeni muone.
Anyway guys, subscribe if you haven't. Road to 100,000.
Tafika.
Kwani nacheka. Can't I believe Majestic wanaweza tufikisha 100k.
Tafika.
Anyway, so we're just having a liquid dinner. Na economy tuna afford kwenda out once a year.
So this is the only time in this year.
Things are tough, but we are tough people, so
we are tougher.
So tuta have. Anyway, tungoje flip sasa. Nyam nyam. You guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm also doing well. So it's the next day from when I showed you guys I was in Naivasha. Now I'm back home and I found some items. Oh, if you're wondering what I was applying this like Johnson Aqua cream. That's what I use for my face. So I'm back home. I had ordered like 2 items in June on Jumia. I just found them on sale, and like I bought like this mafuta, which is going for about 999. I feel like that's a steal. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comment section. Then tough times call for tough missions. So I also got something else. Let's just unbox together. Tuniweke kwenye mkono. Can you see anything? Nope. I also got like, so as I was saying, I've bought like 2 of the most important things in this household. That is the like maize flour. This one was going for, do you have the receipts? Where is it? Oh, it was going for 399. Is it a steal? I don't know. Guys, I'm conflicted. I don't know. But, so I feel like it's a steal, by the way, honestly. Because then after Kwa Super, it's going like for 3 liter is going for like 1200, 1300. And then this one, what I know for sure is 2 kg is going for 26. The last time we were like shopping, as you saw. So I feel like there's a steal there, right? Anyway, so guys, rush to Jumia. I think on Jumia, I think I'll leave a link here. Rush there. They're having like sale. They're having like a 10-year anniversary sale. I'm telling you guys, like the things that you're going to get Mtanishukuru baadaye. Anyway, that's it for now.